Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 18 of GFG POTD series and 18 have a special meaning for us. And one more thing I want to tell you, I have a problem in the end of at the end of video. So please, if you know the solution of this question, then you can directly go to the end and see the problem that's problems. So now let's come to today's problem. So we are given an array that have positive and negative numbers. Array is not sorted, unsorted, and our task is to create an array with alternate positive and negative numbers without changing the relative order of positive and negative numbers. So what does it mean relative order? Relative order means like for C negative numbers. What are the negative numbers? Okay, let me take the example. Okay, here you see what are the negative numbers. Negative numbers are this -2, -1, -5 and -3. Okay, so let me write negative numbers separately: -2, -1, -5 and -3. In this question we are considering 0 as a positive number. Okay, and positive number are 9, 4, 5, 0, 2. So we have to change the array such that alternate, like one positive and one negative. We start with positive. So what is the first positive? First positive is nothing but 9. And then what is the first negative? That is -2. We have done this. So now what will come next? 5, 4. Now 4 is done. What will come next? -5, -1. What will come next? 5. Now one negative. What will come? -5. What will come? 0. What will come? -3. Now what will come? 2. And array end. Suppose there are some element 5 in it. So there is nothing left in the negative array. So these elements will come like this. So like important thing is that you cannot sort the array. Like you are not doing that. So you can sort this. You don't need to sort this. In order they came, you have to place them in that order only. -2, -1, -5, -3. This is the same order now, and this is the same order also. 94502, 94502. So this is the same order. Okay, so simple solution is make two array, one for positive integers. Okay, in that vector you will add the all positive elements and make another array that is nothing but negative. In that array what you will do, add all negative numbers here, including 0. 0 also included in this section. Okay, so 0. So what you will do now, you will clear the array, because we don't have to return the new array. So we will clear the existing array and we will add element one by one. We have to start from first. So what we will add this first. Then what we'll do, we will add this, we add this, add this, add this, add this we will do. So what we will do, we will use while loop, and we will insert the begin element, post dot begin, and what we will do, then erase the post dot begin. Okay, so now this way. Now let me show the code that will make the things much more clear. So here I have created array positive and negative. So if number is positive or equal to 0, I am pushing it in positive, otherwise in negative. So here I have created positive and negative array. So what this is doing, suppose this is our positive and this is our negative, case 1 or case 2. Positive is small and negative is bigger, and suppose case 3, both are equal. So I am starting with case 3. So what will happen, we will add this, then we have added this, and then we will erase this. Okay, now we will add this, erase this. Now add this, erase this, add this, erase. Now we have added this and erase this. So what will happen, this will hit, this condition will hit na, post dot empty. So this element is remaining. So what I have doing, so any of, when we have done with any one of them, then we will terminate this while loop. Like I'll while either this is completely traversed, or either this is completely traversed. Okay, so this is the case. Like post dot not empty, like there are some element left in this. Okay, suppose there are this in this case there are three elements and there is two elements, so we have done this. Now we have done this, we have done this, we have done this. Now this is empty but this is not empty, so these elements are left. So what we will do, we will just simply push the all element. Okay, push and remove, push remove until this became empty. Or if reverse the case, like there are less element in positive array and more element in negative array, so this will end first and there will be element remaining in this negative one, so this is the element. So this is the case to handle both. This will handle the cases like this while loop is terminating because when this while loop will terminate when any one of these array vector will become 0, vector will become size of 0. So if pose is not a size of 0, so what is this? If there are elements in pose, then push all elements. If there are elements in negative vector, then push the all values. Okay, so this is the solution, and this question is required order and complexity in order and extra space, so there is no problem. What is your time complexity? We have traversed array, so order n you can say, and we are pushing elements of each vector only once, so total order n from here. So ultimately this is time complexity is order n, and space complexity is we have created two array that will have size like if one has size x, another one will have size n minus x, so ultimately total size is nothing but order n. So space complexity is order n, time complexity is also order n. Now let's come to the interesting section problem that I want to discuss with you. So suppose you are given a string is something like 7 8 9 3 2 5. There are 10 to the power 5 digits, so means you cannot take this as a you cannot take input as a integer. And so now we have d is something, d is let's say 7. Okay, d can be anything between till 100. Okay, so you have to find s mod d. So how will you find this? Hint I am giving, cannot take or one cannot take input as integer. Input s, you cannot take input as an integer. So think about taking is a string and then traverse somehow and find. So if you know the solution of this problem, comment the solution. Otherwise solution, then I will make a separate video on this question. So thank you guys, bye.